Today's video will be this Dodge van. So I wanted to turn this one into an RC because this is actually one of Ryu Asada's design. Alright, so I finally got everything soldered up together. We have the ESC here, the receiver on top of the servo, and I basically hot glued the servo onto the chassis here, routed the wires back here to the motor. Now I have the tail lights and the front lights glued on, so I cannot detach the body away from the chassis. Now we can go ahead and do a test run. Our steering is working, our motor is working, and our lights are working. Now this is how I wired everything up together. It's pretty clear and pretty easy, and the directions for the receiver and the ESC is actually really clear. Now this will be the transmitter that I will be using. It is rather easy to use. You have your throttle and your steering here, along with a couple of switches up here. And this VR knob is basically for your gyro, to make your gyro more sensitive or less sensitive. And you also have some buttons down here as well. And this transmitter is really easy to use and really easy to customize.